In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add payment methods in Webflow. Adding different modes of payment in Webflow, such as Stripe or PayPal, is a fairly straightforward process. It makes your online business more accessible as it offers various payment options to your customers. Let's start by navigating to your Webflow project settings page. This is the core point where you can control and customize various factors of your site, including payment methods. So let's take a tour to your project settings. Once you're on your project settings page, your next move is to locate e-commerce on the left sidebar. This is the area that lets you set up e-commerce for your Webflow project. As you might have guessed, e-commerce deals with everything to do with your online transactional activities, where setup of payment methods forms a vital part. So click on the e-commerce option in the left sidebar. Next, you will want to add a payment method. The process is as simple as clicking on the option that says Add Payment Method. This is your gateway to integrating popular payment platforms into your site, enabling your customers to transact with you seamlessly. The next step is to enter your business details. This is an essential step as it allows Webflow to know your business in detail. Make sure to enter all the details accurately, as this would be the information Webflow uses to manage your transactions. Once your business details are in place, it's time to connect to your preferred payment platform. Stripe and PayPal are two widely used options. They are secure and ensure that all your transactions are smooth and efficient. To connect with them, click on either Connect Stripe or Connect PayPal. After clicking on one of these options, you encounter on-screen instructions, guiding you on how to sign into your account and authorize the connection. Make sure to follow all the steps and input your details correctly. Signing into your account is essential as it confirms the integration and the transactions are done through your account. After completing these steps, your payment method gets authorized, and your Webflow project is now ready to accept transactions. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now be able to add payment methods to your Webflow project with relative ease.